Stop scrolling. AI is exploding in 2025, but which tools are actually worth your time? Today, you're getting the ultimate list of AI tools that everyone can use, no matter your skill level. From research to productivity to building websites instantly, these tools will save you hours every single day. Let's explore the AI tools that will give you a massive advantage in 2025. First, Perplexity, the smartest AI research assistant. It explains anything in seconds, pulls information from real sources, and helps you understand complex topics instantly. Whether you're a student, professional, or just curious, this tool is a game changer. For writing, Copy.ai and QuillBot are your secret weapons. Copy.ai helps you instantly create emails, captions, blogs, and scripts, while QuillBot rewrites your text into a cleaner, smarter version. Perfect for students, job seekers, and creators. Need quick notes? NotebookLM turn long videos into short, simple summaries. They pull out key points so you don't waste hours watching entire lectures. Number 4. Ideogram.ai and Craiyon AI gives you instant images for thumbnails, projects, and creative ideas. No design skills needed, just type what you imagine, and these tools create it for you. For students and researchers, AgentSea.ai and Scholarly.io helps you generate project ideas based on real academic research. Perfect for assignments, final year projects, and innovation. Lovable.dev and Dora AI let you build websites using plain language. Just describe the site you want, and these AI tools creates it for you. No coding needed. Enhancv and Jasper.ai make resume building effortless. You'll get clean designs, strong bullet points, and ATS-friendly formatting in minutes. To stay organized, Notion AI and Taskade help you plan your day, manage tasks, brainstorm ideas, and track goals. Think of them as your personal AI assistant. Slidesgo and Decktopus help you create stunning presentations instantly. Choose a template, add your topic, and the AI handles the rest. And as a bonus, FinalRound AI and LockedIn AI help you prepare for interviews with real-time coaching, feedback, and practice questions, a must-have for job seekers. AI is not the future, it is happening right now. If you like this video, hit like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.